Chef,
Yeah,
what are we cooking?
we are cooking tuna with a chipotle seasoning
Cool.
to griddle.
All right. Guys, today's recipe is fire. It's seared chipotle ahi tuna with an immune boosting salad. Check it out. First, you're gonna need 1 to 2 pounds of ahi steaks, and you're gonna marinate them with coconut aminos, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. And you're gonna finish it off with a banger chipotle seasoning. Make sure to pat down the seasoning on both sides of the steak. Go ahead and place your steaks on the griddle that's set to the highest temperature. These steaks were quite thick, so we seared them on each side for 4 minutes. And man, let me tell you, they came out to perfection. Then you guys are gonna make a salad that includes super greens, green cabbage, shaved carrots, and apples. And you'll top it off with an immune boosting dressing that we made in a previous video. You guys should go check it out. Now time for the finishing touches. Cut your tuna steak against the grain for tender slices. Then we're gonna take that tuna and place it on top of your freshly tossed salad. Once that's done, add some freshly squeezed lemon juice, some diced green onions, and some spicy pistachios. Now let's give it the old taste test. Mm.